Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss oil as a water pollutant. Oil is a complex mixture of hydrocarbon containing hundreds of various compounds like paraffin, cycloparaffins, aromatic and naphthalene aromatics. Mainly oil is made up of hydrocarbons. In this diagram you can see oil is spread on the surface of water. That means the density of oil is lower than the density of water. There are two major causes of oil spill. First one is a exploitation of offshore fields. सी बेस से ऑयल निकालते समय कई बार ब्लास्ट या लीकेज की वजह से ऑयल स्पिल होता है. इन द फिगर यू कैन सी. दूसरा जो मेजर कॉज है दैट इज द ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऑफ क्रूड ऑयल बाय सी. एक्सीडेंट of crude oil tanker while transporting the crude oil from one place to other due to collision of tanker, oil spill happen. In this diagram, in this picture you can see the collision of two tankers. In recent news, Russia facing oil spill problem due to leakage of oil tankers. To recover from it, Russia require 8 to 10 years. From an environmental point of view, oil spill are the most alarming consequences of petroleum utilization, and oil spill related to accidental deposition of oil into ocean and coastal waterways. Next point is fate of the spilled oil. As oil is spread on the surface of the water, that means density of oil is lower than water. On spillage, the oil floats on the surface of seawater, and therefore the color of water becomes dark, and these oil spills are called as black tides. मीन्स जब ऑयल स्पिल होता है तो कलर जो है वाटर का वो डार्क हो जाता है, उसको कहते हैं ब्लैक टाइड्स. एंड ये जो ब्लैक टाइड्स है उसका जो स्प्रेडिंग का जो स्पीड है वो 1 to 4 किलोमीटर पर आवर है. तो उसका स्प्रेडिंग बहुत हाई स्पीड होने की वजह से रिमूवल ऑफ ऑयल जो है उसको बहुत टाइम लगता है. देयरफॉर जो ऑयल स्प्रेड होता है सरफेस पे, जब वो वाटर के सरफेस में है तो वो ओनली बायोटिक कम्युनिटी को अफेक्ट करता है. बट when this oil dissolve in water column, the oil get oxidized to CO2 and H2O. But the oxidation of this oil into CO2 and H2O, it is a very slow process. In the short period of time, these hydrocarbons are oxidized to peroxide or phenol, and this oxidation is catalyzed by UV rays, and these peroxides and phenol are more harmful than hydrocarbon as they are water soluble, and they are harmful to the aquatic ecosystem as they enter into the food chain. Again you can see, when this oil spread on the surface of surface only, then only biotic community will affect. When this oil enter in water column, oil get oxidized to CO2 and H2O. दिस ये जो ऑक्सीडेशन है वो बहुत स्लो है. इन शॉर्ट टाइम द हाइड्रोकार्बन आर ऑक्सीडाइज टू पेरोक्साइड और फिनॉल. ये जो ऑक्सीडेशन है हाइड्रोकार्बन का पेरोक्साइड एंड फिनॉल में, वो यूवी रेस की वजह से होता है. एंड ये जो पेरोक्साइड एंड फिनॉल जो है वो बहुत हार्मफुल है कंपेयर टू हाइड्रोकार्बन, because this peroxide and phenol are water soluble and they are affected to the aquatic ecosystem as they enter into the food chain. Next point is a consequences of oil spill. First one is a reduced photosynthesis. Due to black tides, transmission of sunlight is get reduced and therefore the rate of photosynthesis is get reduced, and means the marine life are get disturbed. Second point is seabirds. The seabirds directly ingest the oily material, and this oily material are toxic. They also affect the fish, as the larva and egg stage of fish are very sensitive to the toxic effect of oil. And the fourth consequences is marine vegetation. Seagrass and meadows are killed after an oil spill. Mainly because of oil spill, photosynthesis जो है वो reduce हो जाता है. Similarly, and it affects the seabirds, fish and marine vegetation. Next point is a reduction of oil spill, or it may be called bioremediation or oil zipper. To control harmful consequences of oil spill, the microbes are injected to the polluted water. These microbes convert this oil into carbon dioxide and water. These microbes are generally called oil eating microbes. In this way they can reduce the oil pollution. Here you can see the professor Anand Mohan Chakraborty. He derived a new species, Pseudomonas bacteria, which is the oil eating bacteria he developed, and for this he awarded Padma Shri Puraskar in 2001. Next point is pathways of oil spill in marine environment and impact on the environment. That means how this oil spill affect the marine environment as well as their impact on the environment. As oil is carried away by wind, water, current, waves and tides, through they enter into the environment. The low boiling aromatic hydrocarbon up to the carbon number 12, they are easily evaporate, and the aromatic hydrocarbon are removed by the distillation method. Heavy oil residue called tar lumps or balls, they are not degraded. They are deposited on sediment. The main effect of oil is direct fatal toxicity, disorder of physiological effect, changes in biological habitats. These are the major effects of oil. In this way, today we discuss in detail about the oil as a water pollutant. Thank you for watching this video.